It's very kid Android here. So, foldable smartphone market is constantly increasing. There were only two big players of the foldable phone back there. One was Huawei and the second one was Samsung. But as the time goes on, there are now many big players which are introducing their foldable phones. And it seems finally Google is taking a part in this competition. So, we've been hearing about the Google Pixel Fold for quite some time now. We even seen some good quality renders of the phone thanks to John Prosser. His channel's link is in description. But now, we got our very first live video clip of the alleged foldable phone revealing how an actual unit with its thick bezels could possibly look like. So, a well-known leakster shared a clip where it showed a video of possible Google's Pixel Fold phone. And as you can see, it looks a lot like the renders circulating on the internet. Anyway, Google is doing it right. I would say it's having a similar experience we have seen in the Oppo's Find N2 phone, but this phone on the other hand looks a little bit heavier. Further, the smartphone looks good until it unfolds. Like, look at those bezels. I know it's the first generation of the Pixel Fold, but at the same time, I would say you can't compete if you are not giving people what they actually want. But at the same time though, this is an early look, so it is indeed possible that the actual retail unit might look a little bit different. Furthermore, it's set to feature a 120Hz refresh rate on both the inner and the outer displays, with a 5.8-inch outer display and a possibly 7.6-inch inner display. The outer display is an OLED Full HD Plus at 2092 by 1080 and the inner display is an OLED 2208 by 1840. The inner display has an ultra-thin glass protected by plastic, and from what we can see, it definitely appears to match the already leaked renders. So yeah, this is it for the time being. And what was your first impression after watching this live look of the phone? Well, let me know in the comments down below. And as always guys, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.